Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer GCredit to GCash wallet. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. Transferring GCredit to your GCash wallet directly is not allowed as per GCash current policies. However, you can use GCredit to pay for certain services or bills that are connected to GCash. Here are some workaround methods that you can indirectly achieve your goal of utilizing GCredit. Step number 1 is use GCredit to pay a bill. Open the GCash app and tap on Pay Bills. Choose a biller where you can use GCredit. For example, utilities, telecom, and etc. Select GCredit as your payment option and confirm that transaction. Step number 2 is request reimbursement. Once the bill is paid, ask the person or the company you paid for reimbursement. They can then transfer the amount you paid to your GCash wallet. Step number 3 is receive the money in GCash wallet. Once they reimburse you, the funds will appear in your GCash wallet indirectly using your GCredit. Take note that this workaround lets you utilize your GCredit and indirectly get funds into your GCash wallet. However, there is no direct way to transfer GCredit to GCash at the moment. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!